Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
Actually, my name is Mr. Vibaba. That is my name. I know you don't know me. Actually, I don't know you too, but it doesn't mean that we can't help each other. In life, we must help each other because we don't know tomorrow.
What's the problem?
Okay, sir, and the problem is that I actually came for something here in Lagos. So, unfortunately for me, and it was an interview. You understand? So, and the interview did not hold. They nullified it. So, I am actually I'm actually looking for a place to just pass the night, so that I can just know if I can just pass the night.
Just one night tonight.
Just tonight, if you can just I don't know if there is any help.
Okay now. One night too.
Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. Thank you. 6 months later. Some be say NEPA no be like so he just dey house everywhere. Person we don't dey for inside him house, he go just dey. This our house, so the paint don dey old. See us every we need to paint this our house again. The way I dey see this our house, we need to
This your waiting. What do you talk now?
I said this your house, we need to paint
This
am
your
again.
house or this our house?
I said this your house. You see, and the paint don the rose.
Abegi! One night. Now you talk. I don't understand this kind of Lagos quarters. One night. How one night come be 6 months? You come they go. You don't do. Come they go. Come they go. One single. It be like say I don't understand. Just one night. 6 months. You still there. Abeg. Come they go now. Now. Abeg.